Picture this. You're an explorer in a vast, uncharted digital jungle. Your mission? To conquer the world of data structures and algorithms, the ultimate treasure of coding mastery. But wait, before you can slay dragons like binary trees or outsmart mazes like dynamic programming, you need the right tools. And those tools? They're called programming fundamentals. Welcome to the adventure of a lifetime. Today, we're diving into the first step of your DSA journey. This is your launchpad, your secret map to unlocking the mysteries of coding. And trust me, it's going to be fun, exciting, and maybe even a little suspenseful. So, grab your curiosity, buckle up, and let's get started. Here's the big question. Why should you care about programming fundamentals? Well, imagine trying to build a skyscraper without a foundation. It'd collapse faster than you can say bug. Fundamentals are the bedrock of everything you'll do in DSA. They're like learning to walk before you run a marathon. Variables, loops, conditionals, functions. These are your coding superpowers. They let you store data, make decisions, repeat tasks, and organize your code like a pro. Without them, tackling DSA would be like trying to solve a puzzle with half the pieces missing. And who wants that? But here's the twist. These fundamentals aren't just boring basics. They're the keys to unlocking mind-blowing concepts like sorting algorithms, graph traversals, and even building apps that change the world. So, what exactly are these fundamentals? Let's break it down like a coder cracking a secret code. Here's your starter pack. Think of variables as magical boxes that hold your data. Numbers, text, or even secret messages. They're the building blocks of every program. Conditionals are like choose-your-own-adventure books. They let your code make decisions like, should I run this code or skip it? Suspenseful, right? Loops are your time savers. They let you repeat tasks without writing the same code 100 times. It's like having a robot do your chores. Functions are your reusable spells. Write a chunk of code once and use it anywhere, anytime. They make your code clean and powerful. These are just the start. Master these and you're already halfway to cracking the DSA code. But here's the million-dollar question. Are you ready to turn these basics into your superpower? Now you might be thinking, sounds cool, but is this going to be boring? Spoiler alert, not at all. Learning programming fundamentals is like playing a game. Every line of code you write is a puzzle, and every bug you fix is a victory. Plus, these skills are your ticket to the DSA universe. Here's the secret. DSA is just fundamentals on steroids. Arrays? They're variables with a twist, linked lists, loops with a purpose. Every DSA concept builds on what you learn now. So, the stronger your fundamentals, the faster you'll conquer those algorithms. And here's a little mystery for you. Did you know that mastering fundamentals can make you 10x faster at solving coding problems? Stick with me and I'll show you how. Okay, you're pumped, you're curious, but where do you start? Don't worry, I've got your back. Here's your game plan to kickstart your coding adventure. Start with Python or JavaScript. They're like the friendly guides of the coding world. Easy to learn, but powerful enough for DSA later. Write a program to calculate your grocery bill or a simple game. Small wins build big confidence. Connect with other learners on platforms like Data Focus Official, and follow experts like Dataman for tips, tricks, and motivation. Bugs and errors, they're your teachers, not your enemies. Every mistake is a clue to becoming a better coder. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a genius to start. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to try. The coding world is waiting for you to make your mark. So, are you ready to unlock the magic of programming fundamentals and start your DSA adventure? Here's what to do right now. Follow Data Focus Official on platforms for beginner-friendly tutorials and coding challenges. Check out Dataman for expert tips and tricks to level up your skills. Subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment below telling us what's one coding goal you're excited to crush. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The adventure starts now. Let's code, let's learn, and let's conquer DSA together. That's it for today's Adventure Explorers. Programming fundamentals are your first step to mastering DSA and beyond. Stay curious, keep coding, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, this is your name, channel name, signing off with Data Focus Official and Dataman. Let's make code magic happen.